All right, guys, so I have a Ford E150 2004 van. One day I woke up and it's like, I was trying to spray off my windshield with the washer fluid coming out a little nozzle on the windshield. That was not working. My wipers were going back and forth, but there was no water coming out of there. So what does that mean? That's a number of different things. Could be a bad fuse, which is, thank God it wasn't that, because it's a simple repair, but I didn't know which fuse it was. It could be a kink in the line, because these lines come up here from your reservoir up here, then they go into here and they spray. There could be a kink in the line. The clips, the connectors could be bad in there, or it could be you have a bad washer pump in there. Guess what mine was? Mine was a bad washer pump. So how did I fix? Now, really quick, how do you know what the problem is? When I push in my steering wheel, you have to push it in, and then the wipers go back and forth. You should hear the pump actually working. I could not hear this little pump trying to pump, or I did not hear any of that sound. I heard my wipers going back and forth, but I did not hear this. So it led me to believe I have a bad washer fluid pump. So if you have that issue, once again, this is a quick repair. You're going to look for a fuse. If you don't know where the fuse is, I guess hopefully you'll find it online. If it's not, if all this looks to be in order, then it's likely you have a bad washer fluid pump. So to fix mine, I did have to pull my battery out, and then underneath there you're going to find a reservoir tank. Here's where I put my washer fluid in. This thick hose goes all the way down and connects to your reservoir. Pull that out too. And then so you have your battery taken out, disconnect this reservoir pump hose. I did have to pull my reservoir tank out. It was kind of a pain in the butt. However, you have to do it to get to your little pump. This pump comes out when it's connected to the tank. Let's see, I guess it kind of sits like this down there, you'll find. Or actually, more like this. The thick end is just to pull it out, and then there's a connector that goes on here. It's a little plastic clip. I hate plastic clips, but anyway, you have to do that. And then the little disconnector on the side too, just connects the hose like that. So take the tank out, disconnect this. I bought my new pump. I actually bought mine at O'Reilly's. You can buy them online too, but I just bought mine at O'Reilly's because it was quick. And take that out, put the new one in. Super easy to install. Just put it in there, and then connect the hose again, connect the clip on top, and then you can put the reservoir back in there. It was a little bit to get the reservoir tank out, just because they're kind of heavy, and you have little cables and tubes in the way sometimes, but you have to figure out a way to get that out. But anyway, once you get that out, put the new one in there, put it back in there, put your battery back in, and that should solve your problem. Hopefully, if you have your wipers going back and forth, but it's not putting any fluid on the windshield. So good luck with that, and hopefully it works for you.